Hello, I'm Yashima White, Ozzy Love, Master Communicator, Brandologist, and the President of Magnate, where we believe that when you elevate what you say, you will elevate what you see. I like to take the time to invite you to join me on November the 28th for Speak Up, Stand Out, and Make More Part 2. Now, listen, the research has been done and the verdict is in. From the Harvard Business Review to the Wall Street Journal, everyone is saying that communications is the most critical element in business and in life. In fact, without it, it's impossible to connect with your clients, with your prospects, and even your referral base. I want you to take a minute and I want you to really think about what would your business be without strategic, viable, timely, effective communications. You know, the way that you say something, the way that you write something, even your voicemail message, your website, your social media, your capabilities piece. How about what it is that you say as the business owner? You are the forerunning brand of your company. So your personal brand speaks volumes before you ever open your mouth. What those things say, what those elements interpret to be, they matter. They matter so much that it might be the difference between you and your competitive set being successful in the marketplace. And I want you to really think about this because I hear these stories so often. I've experienced it myself, seeing individuals with less experience, less skill set, seemingly more successful in their business. And when you think about how skilled you are, how many years you have in the game, all the experience you come to the table with, and you're still struggling between if you're going to stay in business or not, if you're going to go back and get a job or not, but yet you're seeing individuals with lesser skill set actually making it out there and making a name for themselves. And I know you struggle with thinking, what's the difference between me and them? And I would argue, I would think about their brand communications. Are they communicating just a little clearer than you? Are they positioning themselves? Are they in the right place with the right time, with the right network? Are they utilizing the right vehicles of communication and the right medians more effectively than you? And at the end of the day, the client doesn't necessarily know about the experience of the individual or the skill set. They're believing and buying the message that's presented to them. And I don't know about you, but I think it's time to level the playing field, to have more experience, more responsible, more skilled practitioners in the marketplace, providing an added value service to their clientele. Now, you know, I started my business 2.5 years ago, and I was a former chief marketing officer role and had made more than, a multi six-digit salary before I was 35 years old. But when I left my corporate job, it was a whole new playing field coming into entrepreneurship. It was almost as if I forgot everything that I had learned. But I hadn't forgotten what I learned. I just needed to apply the same skill set that built Fortune 50 brands, the same communication plans, and the same thought process and strategy that built employee communication plans and crisis communication plans are the very same things I needed to apply to my business. Because my business, your business, is just as important as that Fortune 50 corporation. And at Speak Up, Stand Out, and Make More, I want to teach you those skills to help you build your brand platform so that you can reclaim the marketplace and penetrate it with being an individual who knows what they're doing, who has the skill set and the experience to support that which they are selling in the marketplace. You know, in part one, we talked about the communication platform, the niche, choosing language that really resonates for our clientele. And in part two, it's going to be all about building your brand and a marketing execution plan so that you too can see the kind of success that I've seen in my business in 2013. This is your year. This is your time. And I want you to rededicate yourself to your business because I believe that you can elevate your living when you elevate your communication. I'm Yashima White, Ozzy Love, Master Communicator, Brandologist, and the President of Magnate. And I'm challenging you to elevate what you say so you can elevate what you see. And I will see you